This cat learned the sound of the treat jar opening, so now he opens any jar in the kitchen, hoping for snacks. With a clever glint in his eyes, the cat has turned the kitchen into his personal snack paradise, creating chaos, but also an amusing spectacle. Every day becomes an adventure for him as he explores new strategies to reach those delectable delights, fueling his insatiable appetite. Each success not only fills his belly, but also feeds his playful spirit, turning snack time into an exhilarating game.